This is the first engine I've ever totally redone and pulled out of the car, and it's the first time I've ever painted a car. I figure I might as well learn how to do it myself as soon as pay somebody. It's a perfect opportunity for me to learn something. This is the new engine here.
You want me to show them the old one?
Yeah. There's the old one down there. See it there?
Yeah. How about inside the car?
Yeah. You ain't got the light on, honey.
I don't?
No, you gotta press that button. There it is. That's the engine gone. We'll be putting this new one in. I had to take everything off that old block. And
What's a flashing F mean?
what?
Flashing F?
I don't know. But did you charge that battery?
Uh-uh.
You got the date on there?
Yeah.
Well, that's all I wanted to. I just wanted Bridget to get some movies of this mess.
Well, I'm going to go in and see what the flashing F means.
And that's all. I just wanted to get this on film.
He's been working real hard on this.
People would actually believe that I did it.
He's actually doing it.
So,
Okay, I'm going to sign it off, okay?
Right.